In today's digital age, the potential for business growth is limitless. Whether you are a local shop or a manufacturing giant, the digital world offers endless opportunities. At DeljooSoft, we specialize in unlocking this potential. We provide tailored e-commerce solutions designed to elevate your business and maximize your profit. Our mission is to transform your e-commerce presence. With a team of dedicated experts, we focus on delivering innovative solutions that derive real results. From developing a robust e-commerce platform to strategizing your social and Google ads, we offer comprehensive services. Our clients have seen transformative results, from e-commerce sales soaring from 4 figures to 6 figures each month. Our services are designed to boost your online sales, enhance customer engagement, and ensure your digital security. Our success stories speak for themselves. Businesses that once struggled with low e-commerce sales now enjoy 6 figures revenue monthly. We have helped clients expand their reach, increase their sales, and secure their online presence. With our support, you can focus on what you do best, running your business. Let us handle the complexities of e-commerce for you, from strategy to execution, ensuring sustained growth and success. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Let's make it happen together. Contact us today to start your e-commerce transformation. DeljooSoft, your partner in digital success.